Mr. President, Excellencies, I understand what the children of Gaza must be going through, because as a child, I went through the same thing, the same. The sound of gunfire and shells whistling through the air, the smell of smoke after they struck, tracer bullets in the night sky, the fear, the pain, the loss. These things have stayed with me throughout my life. I know the smell, the image of war. I know what war means. When my mother heard gunfire at night, she would make us sleep under the bed with more mattresses on top of one bed, in the hope we might be protected if a shell fell on our house, a mother's instinct to save her kids. I also understand what the parents of Gaza are going through, because in 1998, when war returned to Ethiopia, my country, my children had to hide in a bunker to shelter from the bombardment. I experienced war both as a child and as a parent. I know how the children are feeling, and I know how the parents are also feeling. The children and parents of Gaza and Israel want and need the same thing that my family wanted and needed: peace and security. By the way, I never imagined that I would be the Director General of the World Health Organization, because my mother's prayer was to survive just one day. One day. Maybe I'm lucky. That's what this council was established to achieve: peace and security. But this crisis underlines once again the need for reform of the Security Council. I felt nostalgic, by the way, when I entered into the room, because I used to come here when I was foreign minister. It has long been my view that the Security Council no longer serves the purpose for which it was established. And reminding this with all due respect, it represents the real politic of the Second World War, not the 21st century. As a foreign minister, I was part of a group working on reform of the Security Council. I'm dismayed that no progress has been made. To remain credible, relevant, and a force for peace in our world, member states, especially the P5, must take seriously the need to reform the Security Council. And one ask for today is a ceasefire and a path towards peace. I thank you. And Chair,